સહજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય. આજ સખી આનંદની હેલી, હરિમુખ જોઈને હું થઈ છું રે ગેલી. Jairam Brahmachari, through this Kirtan Bhajan, is expressing boundless joy, boundless gratitude for having found God so effortlessly. All of us seekers have really not gone too much out of the way to earn this spiritual path, to find a guru, to find God. For most of us, this just happened thanks to the grace of God, thanks to our destiny, that somehow the Guru found us, God found us, spirituality found us, the right books found us. It's not that we planned, it's not that we did a lot of penance for this, and that's the bhav that Jairam Brahmachari is expressing in this Kirtan. आज सखी आनंदनी हेली, हरि मुख जोईने हूँ थई छूं रे घेली. महारे मुनि ना ध्यान मनावे, तेरे शामड़ियो जी मुझने बुलावे. जे सुख ने भव ब्रह्मा रे छे, तेरे शामड़ियो जी मुझने रे प्रीछे. ना गई गंगा गोदावरी काशी, घेर बैठा मड्या अक्षरवासी. तपरे तीरथमा हूँ काई नव जाणूं, तपरे तीरथमा हूँ काई नव जाणूं. सहजे सहजे हूँ तो सुखड़ा रे माणूं. जे राम कहे स्वामी सहजे रे मड़िया, वात नी वाते वाहलो अढड़ा कढ़ड़िया. Why am I so blessed? Because without real penance, the kind of eternal bliss that all seekers in this universe seek, even Brahma, Vishnu, Shiv, they all seek this same experience of bliss. I found it, and God came into my life without me inviting Him and planted Himself into my life and made me experience this. They say this kind of bliss is found in the Ganga, the Godavari, the Kashi, in Tiraths, in sadhanas. But for me, this just happened. I'm singing a kirtan and experiencing this. I'm listening to a Vachanamrit and experiencing this. And merely through satsang, through the talks of satsang, I found this. I'm really fortunate, grateful, blessed, and I value this that I've got so effortlessly. महर करी मारे मंदिर आव्या, थाड़ भरी ने मोतीड़े વધાવ્યા. આનંદ અંગ નમાય મારી બેની, હરિવાર ભેટતા લજ્જા શેની. દુર્જન મન રે માને તેમ કહેજો, સ્વામીજી મારા હૃદયમાં રહેજો. જે રે જોઈએ તે માગજો માવા, ત્રિકામ તમને હું નહીં દઉં જાવા. મુખથી તે જાજુ શું કહી દાખું, હરિવાર મારા હૃદયમાં રાખું. કોણ રે પુણ્ય હું હરિવાર પામી, ભલે મળ્યા જે રામ ના સ્વામી. It is merely the grace of God because of which this happened. There is so much happiness, so much of abundance of happiness and joy and bliss and peace and love that I'm going mad, I'm going gaily. God is not found elsewhere, but I found God inside me, in my Man Mandir, in my Hridayakash, in my Atma. God, I'm seeking a promise from you that you will never go away from me. You will stay extremely close to me, one with me. I also promise you that now that I have found you and now that you have showered this grace on me, I will not take you for granted. I will not go away. I can't really express how much of joy I am feeling because this happened. I can't stop thanking my stars enough that I had you written in my destiny. પૂર્વનું પુણ્ય પ્રગટ થયું જ્યારે, સ્વામિનારાયણ મળ્યા રે ત્યારે, નેણે મોહનવર નિરખ્યા જ્યારે, પૂરણ કામ થયું મારું ત્યારે, પ્રેમે કરી મંદિર પધરાવ્યા, શ્યામ સુંદર વર મનડે રે ભાવ્યા. નિરખી નારાયણ મૂર્તિ જ્યારે, ત્રિવિધ તાપ ટળ્યા મારા ત્યારે, કેસર ચંદન છરચ્યું છે ભાલે, હસતા સુંદર ખાડા પડે છે ગાલે, કાનુમાં કુંડળ મકરાકાર શોભે, જે રામ કહે મન જોઈ જોઈ લોભે. All my purva punyas, all my good karmas got rewarded with the fact that I found you. That is a proof that I got rewarded for my good karmas. From the time that I have seen you, I feel fulfilled, I feel complete, I feel liberated, I feel salvated. From the time that I have become one with you, I have fallen in love with you, I am fond of you. My love for you is increasing every day. And because of that, I can't feel, experience, or complain of anything going haywire in my life, because through thick and thin you are with me. Whatever happens, whatever sorrows come, you face them with me, so they don't feel like sorrow anymore. Whatever are my inner negativities, they are slowly and steadily disappearing thanks to you, and hence I am growing in love with you. And I'm loving everything about you. Your smile, your face, your beauty, the clothes you wear, the way you walk, the way you talk. And the next few lines that Jairam Brahmachari has sung are all appreciating this divine Murti of God, this divine idol of God, this divine beauty of God. And he's expressing the magnificence of each organ of God's body, because he's so in love with it that how a lover describes a loved one's beauty, he's describing that. His hair, his nails, his hands, his legs, his navel, his thighs, everything. शिर पर केश शोभे अति सारा, मोहन वर मरी आँखों न तारा। ब्रकुटी कुटिल शोभी रही सारी, जोई जोई मोही सर्वे व्रज नारी। हार हैयामा पहर्यावन माड़ी, भ्रमर आवे तिया सुगंध भाड़ी। बेस्तन श्याम शोभे अति सारा, जाने उग्या आकाश मतारा। नाभि नौतम उंडे छे भारी, ब्रह्मा बेसे तिया आसन वाड़ी। जानू जुगल शोभे अति सारा, जे राम कहे देखे दास तमारा। आज सखिया नंदनी हेली, हरिमुख जोईने हूँ थई छूर गेली। हरिमुख जोईने हूँ थई छूर गेली। हरिमुख जोईने हूँ थई छूर गेली। सहजानंद स्वामी महाराज ने जय।